don't have good response on your videos because of unprofessional and unnatural robotic voiceovers, then wait.
Today we're going to show you the AI technology that is able to transform any text into speech and read it in such a natural sounding way that it's tough to tell it was generated by a computer and not a real human being. But before that, let me tell you something. Videos without a good voiceover will not convert, will not get you clicks, leads, traffic, or any sales. A good video is not efficient without a good voiceover that tells the actual story. The problem is that not all of us have a nice friendly voice like Morgan Freeman. Or we just don't feel comfortable recording ourselves. You just enter your text and generate a perfect sounding voiceover with a voice that would sound as cool as, well, my voice?
Or maybe a nice distinctive British voice like mine.
Or a friendly female voice like mine.
How cool would that be? Introducing Speechelo, the most natural sounding text-to-speech software on the market. Hey, I'm Joey, and I'm one of the 30 AI voices from Speechelo. You listened to this video until now and you probably couldn't tell I'm not a real human voice. That's because I understand exactly what each phrase is saying, and I know how to put inflections in my voice, just like a real human would do.